Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is TechnicallyTee, and today I'm bringing you another case review for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and we're going to go ahead and get into the Nomad Clear Folio case. Before I get started, I do want to give a huge shout out to the folks over at Nomad for dropping me this case. Always looking out when a new device comes out. So if you have seen my channel before, you know I run a few Nomad cases. They make super duper very high quality cases, a little on the pricey side, but you get what you pay for when you're dealing with their products. So here it is, Nomad Clear Folio. Read some of the details on the front. You can see it's a slim design, fits up to 6 cards, a cash slot, and it's always made out of that authentic Horween leather. Flipping it over on the back, it always shows you how that leather will patina over time. You're not dealing with any cheap type leather, people. This is not the cheap leather that you may get from an Amazon case or anything like that. You're going to deal with authentic Horween leather that ages over time. Either you like it or you don't like it, because for me, I love a case with authentic leather that wears over time. It's sort of like your Apple leather case and different things like that. It's going to give a real leather wear, because that's what real leather does over time. So Nomad Clear Folio case. Let's go ahead and jump into the packaging. Always very nice packaging when it comes to Nomad. So here it is. Let's go ahead and get out the packaging. So here it is, the Clear Folio case from Nomad. Like you said, if you're familiar with their clear case, you already know this is basically their clear case on top of a leather folio style here. So let's go ahead and take this out. This is basically a card letting you know about their leather and everything like that. We're going to go ahead and set that to the side. Take a look at their case. The back, as you see, you have your cutout for your camera flash, fingerprint scanner, everything there. On the inside, you do have a very stiff, maybe TPU material, very, very stiff. Feels like the phone is going to fit excellent. And if it's anything like Nomad cases fit in general, they already fit great. And on the left side, you do get a card slot. Like I said, that fits up to 6 cards. I only have 3. We'll put the phone in there, put some cards in there, put some cash in there, and let you know how you can go ahead and rock out if you want to go to the club, if you want to keep it a little more professional when dealing with cases. You know, we get into all that. So let's go ahead and pop the S9 Plus in it here. So as you see, fit is very nice on the S9 Plus, and you can still show off that beautiful color of it on the back. Now, one thing about that I probably would like to see is I would like to see maybe a magnetic flip, a magnetic stand that actually keeps it closed. So right now, you know, these have a tendency to kind of flap open and everything like that. So take it as take it as you can. That's one thing that may bother me a lot. But go ahead and unlock in the S9 Plus here. That power button, very nice and tactile. No issues there. Volume up, volume down. Your Bixby button, all of that is spot on with no issues. Camera cutouts are spot on the back. Flipping over on the bottom, as you see, all of your cutouts are good to go down here as well. Now, let's go ahead and slide these cards into it. Since they said you could fit 6 cards, let's go ahead and slide a few cards in here that I have on the side over here. So, first we got to start off with, you got a Publix card. You go ahead and slide that in there here. Smash Burger, little gift card, whatever I got from somebody that was actually in Smash Burger. They just gave this to me. Whatever it is. Got to keep the Kroger card. Got to keep the Kroger card plus, the Kroger Plus card. We're going to slide this in here as well. Now, that's just 3 cards here. So imagine you going out for a night. You have 3 cards there. And just for dramatic purposes, we got a little bit of cash on the channel today. A little bit of 80 bucks. So say you stepping out the club, 80 bucks or something like that. You got you maybe got your license, your debit card, and whatever type of other card you want. You got your cash. You slide your cash in here like so. Or you can probably open it up. Let me see if it fits opened up. A little bit long for it to be opened up, but we can go ahead and just keep it folded. Slide in it like so. And you can close it, and then you go out for the night. Now, it does add a little bit of, a little bit of bulkiness to the case while it's in your pocket maybe, but you don't have to worry about a thick wallet being in your pocket, because you got everything in here. You got your cash, you got your license, you got your debit card, your credit card, or whatever you in here, and you got your phone. Pop all this, slide in your pocket, and you're pretty much good to go. You don't got to worry about having a whole bunch of different things in your pocket. So this is the Clear Folio case. Like I said, fits very good on the case. The sides are very stiff, as you can see here. Not bad at all. No give whatsoever when you're talking about around the case. feels in the hand, you already know it's a folio case, so it's going to have a different type feel in your hand. This is not a phone for heavy duty drop protection or anything like that. So keep that in mind. This is basically for the people who like folio cases. Like I said, if you want to consolidate some items in your pocket when you're going out, doing anything like this, this will definitely be a great alternative. And you also get that beautiful leather here wrapped around the back, and it still shows off. I think that coral blue with that brown leather really goes good with each other. A very nice look, very clean and professional look. And just for giggles, does it work with wireless charging? Pop it on the wireless charger. As you can see, it does work with wireless charging. Everything that's in here is pretty much good to go. So this is the Nomad clear folio case for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now this case will run you $49.95 on Amazon. Like I said in the beginning, yes, it is a little pricey, but for what you're getting high quality leather, you're getting a very nice fitting folio case, and you're getting some premium material when dealing with Nomad. So as always, I will drop the link to this product down in the description below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Later.